How to increase hair growth and thickness naturally. These compounds are minoxidil and finasteride, and they are primarily used to treat androgenic alopecia and other forms of hair loss. As for shampoos and hair care products to boost and support hair growth, there are some quality products that are ideal for helping with hair problems that can inhibit growth. Thicker and voluminous hair is always considered allured, especially when it is about women. During the primitive age, while choosing brides in arranged marriage, the boy's family always have a look at the girl's hair, whether it is thin or thick or long,